Hello and welcome to this video about organic farming. Organic farming is a type of farming that prioritizes the use of natural methods to grow crops and raise animals. It is a growing trend in agriculture, and for good reason. Organic farming practices are not only better for the environment, but they can also provide better quality produce and more nutritious food for consumers. Organic farming is all about using natural methods to grow crops and raise animals. This means that farmers avoid the use of synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and genetically modified organisms (GMOs) that are commonly used in conventional farming. Instead, organic farmers rely on natural fertilizers like compost, manure, and bone meal, as well as biological pest control methods like companion planting and crop rotation. One of the key benefits of organic farming is that it promotes soil health. Conventional farming can deplete soil nutrients and biodiversity, making it difficult for crops to thrive. Organic farming, on the other hand, focuses on building and maintaining soil health by adding organic matter like compost and using natural pest control methods. Organic farming also helps to protect the environment by reducing the use of harmful chemicals and promoting biodiversity. By avoiding the use of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, organic farmers are helping to reduce air and water pollution and preserve natural habitats for wildlife. In addition to promoting environmental sustainability, organic farming can also provide better quality produce and more nutritious food for consumers. Organic produce is often fresher, more flavorful, and more nutritious than conventionally grown produce. This is because organic farming practices promote healthy soil, which in turn produces healthier plants. Organic farming also allows farmers to use more diverse crop rotations and other practices that promote healthy soil and nutritious produce. Organic farming is not without its challenges, however. It requires a higher level of labor and infrastructure, as farmers must spend more time and resources monitoring and maintaining their crops and animals. In addition, organic certification can be more expensive and time-consuming than conventional certification. Despite these challenges, organic farming is gaining popularity around the world. Consumers are increasingly seeking out products that are produced in an environmentally sustainable and humane way, and organic farming provides just that. As more and more consumers turn to organic farming, we can expect to see more sustainable and nutritious food options available to us all. Thank you for watching this video about organic farming.